Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out the spikes trading strategy for GainX 1200, or generally we will be checking out the spikes trading. Okay, but before we do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, spikes trading is so sweet. Okay, but before you can trade spikes, you must know the direction of the trend. Okay, trading spikes on GainX is different from that of PainX. Okay, for GainX it goes up, while for PainX it comes down, it crashes down. For GainX it spikes up, for PainX it crashes down. Okay, so these are two different things. So which means for GainX, this is GainX at the moment. For GainX, it will have to come from the support zone, and the market must be on uptrend or about going into uptrend before you can decide to trade spikes. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you only trade spikes on uptrend when you only trade spikes when the market is on uptrend in GainX, but for PainX you only trade it when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so now let's focus on what we have right here. Okay, some of you might be asking, why should we trade spikes alone when the market is on uptrend on GainX? Okay, you will have to do this because that is when we have more spikes happening. You can see it right from here, guys. Right from this support zone till this very moment, we had a lot of spikes happening around here. Okay, most especially when it is coming from the support zone. Okay, that's because the market, the trend is favoring spikes at the moment. Okay, so that is very important. This is one thing that you guys don't understand. Okay, so what should we do? The first thing is to identify the trend, or when the trend is about to change into an uptrend. The second thing is to identify the support zone. Okay, so right here the market had been on downtrend, and of course the market actually got to this region and broke out below this a bit, got to a new support zone, but played around there for a while and went back up. Okay, so you can see the indicator, the 3M trend milk trade indicator, also gave us a trend signal. You can see the yellow flag, it shows that the market is going back on uptrend, and of course you can also see the buy arrow. Okay, so the buy arrow shows that we should place our buy order right from here. So if we are coming around here, then we can always put a stop loss somewhere down here at the support zone. Okay, because anything can always happen to the market. Even your support zone can be broken. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you might not be in profit immediately you place your order, but you should know that it will definitely go into profit if it spikes. Okay, so right from there it spiked, and of course came down again, spiked, came down again, because the market was playing around there, but thereafter it gave us a very big spike from here, spiked again and came down till it got to this region. Then later on it spiked up and up. At this stage of the market, I expect you to readjust your stop loss because it's no longer useful where you put it. So just readjust it up a bit and secure about 50 to 60% of your profit at that particular point. Okay, so this played around there before spiking up. You can see it spiked up and up and up. So at this stage you can secure more, okay, or you close your trade because it is at the resistance zone at that point. Of course it later on broke out above it. Okay, so you can secure more profits. You can put it somewhere here in order for you to give more room for more trading activities, and also to secure more profit for yourself. You can see it came down, and of course it didn't close your trade, and it kept on playing around there till spiking up and coming down, spiking up again. So at this point that it is going up and up, you can still readjust your stop loss to secure more, okay, and exposing about 20% of your profit in the market in order for you to see if you can make more profit right from there. And you can see it didn't break out above the resistance zone, it came down and got to the stop loss, and of course at this point it's going to take you away from the market. That is how easy it is. So what are the things we need to be sure of before we decide to go into spikes trading? Most of the time we trade spikes in a wrong way. We try to look for the exact place it's going to spike, and once it spikes we quickly close our trade and run off the market. I think this is the wrong way of trading. If you try that in about 10 times, it's most likely for you to lose out on the trade in about 5 times to 6 times, because sometimes you might be trading whenever the market is on the wrong direction. I think what you should focus on are on two things. One, the trend of the market. Make sure you trade the spikes when the trend is favorable for it. Two, make sure you get into it at the support zone. That is, if you are trading spikes in gain X, okay, make sure it is from the support zone. If you are trading spikes in pain X, make sure it is from the resistance zone, okay. I believe with these few points you will be able to trade spikes in a better way right from now. Remember, the trading tool I'm using on my system is a custom made indicator that makes it very easy for me to do my analysis, okay. And of course it is called the 3M trend milker indicator. Some of you guys are having. If you are not having, you can always reach out to me, and of course you're going to see how beautiful it is. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.